Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to explore how to use Clash VPN, a powerful VPN app, to enhance your online privacy and security. We'll guide you through the simple process of setting up your Clash VPN account and connecting to a server. Step 1. Downloading and installing Clash VPN. Start by opening your App Store, Play Store for Android devices, or the official Clash VPN website for other platforms. Search for Clash VPN and download the app. Once it's installed, launch the app. Step 2. Creating a Clash VPN account. 1. Open the menu. Once the Clash VPN app is open, tap the menu icon, often 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. 2. Select Sign Up. From the menu options, select Sign Up. 3. Enter your information. Enter your email address and create a password. You'll likely receive a verification code to your email address. Enter the verification code to complete the sign-up process. Step 3. Choosing a server. You'll now be presented with a list of available servers. You can choose from free, regular, or VIP servers. Each type of server may have different features and limitations. Step 4. Connecting to the VPN. Once you've selected a server, tap the Start button. This will initiate the VPN connection process. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.